Despite global efforts to endorse modern energy solutions, more than 2.6 billion people worldwide do not have access to a clean cooking facility. In Tanzania, this reality is particularly acute. Forest degradation and deforestation is another major consequence of the unsustainable harvesting of wood fuel.
Uzilete nyumbani. Ninahitajika niwe karibu, nisiondoke hata kwenda labda shambani, sababu kile chakula nitakapokiacha kule jikoni, hamna mtu akukisukumia kuni, hamna mtu akukichochelea moto.
The Clean Cooking Energy Project, run by Dorcas Tanzania, aims to reduce this dependence on charcoal and firewood, create work and protect lives.
Clean Cooking Project has been so beneficial to the community, and the main idea was to save the environment by not cutting down the trees to make up fuel.
Our activities help women switch to improved biomass cookstoves that are run on solar power.
Faida ya mimi moto, naweza kupika hapa ndani, moshi ukawa hamna, hali ya hewa ikawa nzuri. Naendelea kupika, huku naendelea kuongea na mtoto wangu na muelekeza kama kulikuwa kuna jambo lolote la kumsaidia kuhusu mahesabu au chochote kile ambacho anakifanya, naendelea kumsaidia.
We also get the whole community involved in the production process, a move that serves to promote social cohesion and deliver new livelihoods opportunities. Clean Cooking Energy Project objectives are to build an economically viable business case for households in and around communities in Tanzania, to develop a scalable investment concept in other communities, and to engage local female and youth entrepreneurs in the supply chain and enabling them to generate income.